Hi, my name is Jenny Umali, and let's talk about overcoming self-doubt and 3 actionable tips to silence your inner critic. Number 1, challenge negative thoughts. We all have that voice inside our head telling us we're not good enough or that we're going to fail. But here's the thing, those thoughts are often just old stories we've been telling ourselves. So when your inner critic starts saying things like, you can't do this, or you'll never succeed, pause and ask yourself, is that really true? Take a moment to reflect on all the times you've overcome challenges, no matter how small they seem at that time. Maybe you didn't get it perfect, but you made it through, right? You're more capable than you think. By challenging these negative thoughts and replacing them with facts, you slowly start to shrink that critic's power. Number 2, practice self-compassion. If your inner critic was a person, you probably wouldn't hang around them for too long, right? So why do we let it live rent-free in our minds? Start treating yourself the way you would have a best friend. Instead of being harsh when you make a mistake, try offering some kindness. Acknowledge that you messed up and learn from it, and then move on. Remember, you're human and growth comes from making mistakes. The more you practice self-compassion, the quieter your inner critic will become. It'll take time, but be patient with yourself. You deserve to be kind to you. Number 3, visualize success. This is one of my favorite tips. Take just a few minutes each day to close your eyes and picture yourself succeeding. Imagine how it feels. What's going right? How are you showing up? What does success look like to you? The more vividly you can see it, the more your brain starts to believe it's possible. Over time, you'll start shifting your focus from doubt and fear to confidence and possibility. The more you visualize success, the less power your inner critic will have because you're reinforcing the belief that success is not only possible, but it's already within your reach. Remember, silencing that inner critic isn't something that happens overnight, and that's okay. It takes time, patience, and practice. But every time you challenge those doubts, practice self-compassion, and visualize success, you're taking steps towards quieting that voice. You've got this. You are stronger, more capable, and more worthy than that inner critic will ever tell you. So keep going. Sending you love, light, healing, and abundance. Bye!